If you send video normally on IMO, the app usually compresses it. This makes the file smaller so it uploads faster and useless mobile data. However, the quality becomes lower. If you want to send video in its original quality without losing any details, IMO now provides an easier option. First, open IMO app and go to chat you want to send the video. Select your video from the gallery. Then tap the HD button on the previous screen. Choose original file and tap send. This uploads the video in its original quality without heavy compress. Keep in mind that the file will be larger, so it may take longer to send and more mobile data. For the best result, use a Wi-Fi connection. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.